Today in this video, we are going to be looking at longitude and latitude in mathematics, that is under geometric mathematics. So we have about two questions here we're going to be looking at. The first question, we're going to start from the first question. The first question says that 2 points A and B on the equator have a longitude 162 degree east and 74 degree west respectively. What is the shortest distance between them? We have our pi to be 2/7 and our radius to be what? 6400 kilometer. So the 2 points, they say that they are where? Equator. They are at equator. So if they are at equator, what are we going to do? Now at equator is always 0 degree. It's always 0 degree. So this is the equator, and then the other one is we have west, we have east. This other one is north, and then we have south. So this one is what? East. That means it should be somewhere here. This is the equator we have. That means this should be the B. Okay, this is the A. Respectively A. This is A. This is A. And the next one is what? B. Then our B is here. That's how to solve this problem. You need to make a sketch of it so that it will be easier for you. So I've been able to get this. This is the longitude. This is the longitude. This is the equator where they are. So now they are in different points. This is east. The other one is west. So whenever they are in these positions, east and west like this, what we do, we add it. And then what we do? Remember, the formula we normally use is this 2 pi r. In this case, the latitude, the equator is 0 now. So all we need is just all this, because if you have to consider the latitude, which is 0, it will also give us what? 0, because 0 is 1 to give us 1, so there's no need adding it here. And so you don't want to consider the latitude. So consider this is what we have. So to get this theta, what are we going to do? Theta will then be equal to 162 plus 7, 4. That will give us, let me check. I don't want to use my pen. What's wrong with this? Okay. Now wow, this calculator. Oh. So we have 236 degree as our theta. So now what do? We then, let's click up. Let me click up. Then we have 236 over what? 360 times 2 times 22/7 our pi, which is our pi, this is our pi, and then times r, which is 6400 over 1. So what we'll do this, let's see what we get. Times 2 times 2 times 4600. We have, okay, dividing by 7, divide by, so what we have here will be equal to 6 2637.06 approximately kilometer. Let's leave it like this. Okay, we can still decide to bring it a bit, make it a whole number. We have 32637 kilometer. So this is what we have. The next question here says that we should find the what? Find the radius of the parallel of latitude. Parallel of latitude 40 degree north to the nearest kilometer. So now here we're looking at the parallel of latitude. The radius of the parallel of latitude. Let's say we have, this is the earth, or we have north, we have south, we have what? West, and then east. So parallel of latitude, let's say this is the parallel of latitude that has an angle of 40 degree. Perhaps they're assuming that this place is here. The point we are looking for, we can call it Q. So the parallel latitude, now to get this parallel latitude, the radius of the parallel latitude, we consider the angle that it has there. This angle now, to considering this angle will then mean rho, small r, is equal to rho cos theta. Rho cos theta. Our r there is what? 6400 cos theta cos 40 degree. Cos 40 degree. Now let's see what cos 40 degree is. Cos 40 times, that will give us 4902. Okay, let's leave it at 0.7 kilogram. So that is what it is. It's very, I feel that it's very simple. But most often, it's always nice to really know how to sketch this thing so that it will guide you. Personally, anytime I want to solve it, I always look at this, make a sketch of this so that it will serve as a guide in solving the problem. So thank you so much for coming this far. If I join us for the first time, we would like you to leave the subscription button there, and then I would like you also to share and like. Leave your question in the comment section if there is any, and thank you. Bye.